Hi, welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today we're gonna make Tortang eggplant or Tortang Talong. Let's do it. Now here are the ingredients. We have garlic, onions, tomatoes, red pepper, bell pepper, potatoes, and ground pork, and we have eggs, and we have also here the eggplant which we grilled and peeled few minutes ago. So we have olive oil, soy sauce, and salt and pepper. So let's proceed to cooking. Now we'll cook the pork, and let's put a little bit of oil here. Now we'll put the garlic. Gonna saute the garlic here for 2 seconds, 2 or 3 seconds, and put onions. Alright, and we're gonna put the pork. Gonna put the pork now. Alright, put a little bit of soy sauce. We're gonna make this pork brown a little bit, and we'll be back with you. Now let's check the pork here. Okay, this is a little bit brown now. Now we'll add some tomatoes, and we can put at the same time the potatoes. Alright, we're gonna mix this. We're gonna let the potato to soften a little bit, and we'll be back. We'll cover this and we'll be back with you. Okay, we'll check what's going on with the pork. Alright, so the juice is coming out real good, and probably we need 2 more minutes for this, but we're gonna add the red bell pepper, and we'll mix this, and we're gonna put some salt and a little of ground pepper here. Alright, and we'll cover this and we'll give it another 2 minutes. Okay, we'll check on the pork now. Wow, this is almost dried, so this is the right time to transfer this into a bowl, and we're gonna stuff the eggplant. So we'll be back with you. Now we will stuff the eggplant. This is the pork that we cooked, and this is the eggs that we beat a while ago, and we flatten this eggplant like this and make it a little bit wider size, and then we're gonna put the stuffing now. gonna spread the stuffing. You can put whatever you like, you know, it's real thin or real thick, it's up to you. All right, so now what we have to do is we're gonna put some egg. Gonna spread the egg a little bit here. And then we're gonna fry it. Like that. All right. All right, and then we're gonna fry this. All right, we're gonna put some olive oil and we're gonna fry the eggplant. All right, it is it's pretty hot now. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna slide. We're gonna slide this eggplant like this. There you go. So we're gonna cook both sides. We will make it a little bit brown, and then we're gonna transfer this into a serving dish. We're gonna do this with the rest of the eggplant. See you in a bit. Here's the finished product, Tortang Talong.